Ikabarole district inoni pol pa dano maduong gitika chande matek tutuan malupe ke pero patuo jonyo. Dano maduong magitika tuo jonyo gitika rinyo gi awa kio yat kon gitika keme ki ot lega. Mano kati karame yu mo makloni candlelight event may noni dulmo yubaye Youth and Women Empowerment Foundation yawe matie ifot poto.
Event which is done to stand in solidarity with people living with HIV and also pray for those departed friends due to HIV.
Akora George William ma endor Dr. Mi Yahweh Foundation wachi polpa jomatiki tuo man gitika miyo kar mat duong totwal bot lukwat ma pat ma eni tika keto yot komge kabir maraj.
Fortunately, some of them believe so much in the pastor until they are too sick. And some of them we actually lose them, but some of them who realize that now it's time to return on my medication, they return. But pastors, we need an intervention to mobilize them and also give them the same message that people can pray and also take medication.
Man pe bo ki lok pa RDC mi area man mo wachi lokwat mo kenetie ka rocho widano.
Pastors who have them here, at times they also intend to confuse our people, that they can pray for them and heal someone get cured from HIV. This is a lie. If someone is positive, the only advice we can give is to go for medication and adhere to suppress the virus.
Record maaki Kabarole District Health Office nyurni namba pajomatie kamonyo yat tuo jonyo o dok piny mi aki percent piera bongwen wiario mi owe piera boro wiangwen keken. En record acheli mena nyuro ni district man inoni dano maromo mia rio ke piera dek wiabichil magtiki tuo man peki ngeyo kama giti iye kabene donki wachi dano par bongwen gotia gorwenyo kogi ke tuo man. Kadi bene ni lobo man yeni ngara chilo chung kitwer nemi pakorobama en mero ke lego gamente kati neno kit makramodor kwede wi odi lega ma pat.
Wherever you go, there is a church. In the ghetto, you find there is a church. In the market, there is a church. Those pastors, then we call them, all of them, they are pastors. And when someone comes, we test from the hospital or in the clinic. Someone runs away to go and start praying to the church.
Malupe ki report mwagali bario ki piera rio imakilwani HIV's assessment report Kabarole district tie ki percent para ngwen may noni tuo jonyo tima dito twali area man kun en mao kaberu nambario kuno luboko kalangala mati percent para boro. Report maaki Fort Portal Regional Hospital lokom tuo jonyo nyuroni kina mwagali bario ka para bormi oi mwagali bario ka para bongwen namba padano matie yat uporo pinni bam aki aliba boro mia chele piara bongwen wia bero mi owe aliba bero mia bongwen ke piara boro wia boro ke ken
has to handle regulate these spiritual leaders. They should tell them the exact thing that once you are HIV positive, you have to take your drugs. You have to take your drugs so as you can get better.
Report chele bana nyurni namba padana matie iyat beno dok piny ai percent piara bongwen wia chel mi owe piara bor wia rio keken. Pastor Frank Beba Saija mi anointed souls o wachi piara tek bena nigira roba romo kelo ni chang ento eni pira romo gengo dano meteke munyu yat.
Believe in the God who heals diseases, but we don't stop people from getting medication. Because doctors are given to us by God, and we believe in the doctors. I also go for medication.
Pastor Frank ochimo wang lokwat mokene kon wanyane miropego betke yo me jokodano monyo yat PM yuario weng romo kelo ni chang.
It's always good for people to get medication. Please, if there is a pastor or anybody, any religious leader who is hindering these people from getting their medication, it is wrong.
WAN LUO TV no nyuroni dan maromali piera rio wia bero mia ber ke piera dek wia chiel ti magi ko ke tuo jonyo I Kabarole district poletie mon make wajini giti gena liwa par bichiel mia bero kia bero kadong bene cho matiki tuo man giti aliba bungwen mia bichiel ki piera bichiel wia ngwen kun loteno aliba chiel mia dek ki piera bichiel bene tie ki tuo man. Lok Angeya Ma Ocwiny WAN LUO TV Janan to Singwire gen ki pat